How to download Chase.com app on your PC. So let's get started. Firstly, launch the Google Chrome browser on your PC. Now, visit the Chase.com website. As you can see, there is no download option available at the Chase.com, so you'll have to open the new tab and write down Chase.com download and search for it. Now the first option available there, simply tap on it and you'll be navigated to the download the Chase app option available. So if you're using the Mac, then tap on the App Store, or if you are using the Windows, then tap on the Play Store. Now there, tap on the view the Mac App Store option available there. Then you'll be navigated to the App Store. Now tap on the get and tap on the install. You might be prompted with Touch ID or Apple ID password. Simply enter your Apple ID password and start the download of Chase.com. Once downloaded, tap on the open option available there and launch the Chase app on your PC or desktop. Once done so, you'll have to enter your email address, enter it. Then you'll have to enter your username. Make sure that it is unique. So after you enter your username, you'll get to see continue option available there. Tap on the continue. Then choose your level. Then choose a preferences in the wood. Then tap on the continue. And now you can open the Chase.com app directly from your desktop and start playing it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.